Hello, hey, this is Bill. I'm here to show you how to assemble the finisher chute. It's a very simple build, and all we really need are two things. That is some glue. We use CA glue. Gap filling is probably the best, the medium, but you can also try the others if you like. But these all come in different brands. This one's a private label for Discount Games, but anyways, you'll see these. It's you can get this on Amazon or any game store or hobby shop. So that's where you can get this. And then there's also an Instaset for it that will help dry the glue instantly, and it's kind of handy to have if you want to do that. Or you could use regular wood glue, and that should do just as well. All right, so this is a very simple assembly. This is for the finisher chute. What you want to do is remove these pieces from the boards that they come in. They'll just snap out, push with your fingers, and they should just pop right out. And then you can get rid of that. You don't need it. Let's get this piece out. And that piece. And again, this piece you don't need, you can get rid of it. So these are the pieces that that's used in this kit. And so now we're gonna assemble it, and what we're gonna do, this is the end piece. We're gonna glue those pieces together. And here's the end right here. And so we're just gonna put some glue on, like that. And then just slide this on, like that. Put some glue on this one here, and slide it on. And you can add some Instaset if you want to make it dry a little bit quicker. And then we're gonna put the front on. The front has an arch on the front here. The marbles are gonna travel through this spot right here. And so this one doesn't quite slide on. There's a little, you're gonna pinch it and push it on and push it on. So that's gonna be like this. So we pinch it, and then we're gonna push it on. But before we do that, we're gonna add some glue to this. And that's about all we need. So we're gonna pinch it and bring it along here. And then this piece is going to go right in there, like that. And then this side does the same thing. And then just line it up so that it looks square anyways, like that. And then again, you'll see the marbles will be going through there. And this is going to fit on a piece of track. And that's what these are. The rails of the track will go up in here. The bottom of the track is here, and the marbles will travel into that little slot right there. I'll show you that in just a second on how that works. But let's create the mechanism for them to be funneled into this spot. And to do that, we have a couple pieces here that are going to do that with little pieces that hold it up. So what we're going to do is, this one has a little rounded front on it. I don't know if you can see that. Anyways, it's a little rounded front right there. That will go towards the front, or the pointy part of this, and it's just going to go in like that. And so what we'll do is we'll glue it. We'll put some glue on right here, like that. And we'll put it on just like that. Set it down, let it glue. We'll do the same to the other side. And make sure, so this guy is going to be this direction, and then this guy will be this direction, so we want to put it on like such. There we go. So now these two pieces are going to be added in this spot right here, and we'll put the glue on here. We'll put some in this little crack here, there, and there, even some down here. That'd be good. All right, and then that just gets pushed right in to that spot right there. And just apply a little bit of pressure, make sure it gets glued in there. And we're going to do the same for this side. All right, very good. And that guy gets pushed into the holes right there. There we go. All right, it's very simple. And that is a really simple build for that. Now this comes in two different variety. That comes in a clear like this, just a nice plastic, clear piece of plastic, so you can assemble it so it's clear. It's easier to see the marbles that way, but you can still see them with this one, and this one's a little bit better price. So anyway, there's this one here. Let me get a piece of track and show you how the marbles will run down. All right, so here's a piece of track. We'll do that. I'm just using the clear one to be a little bit of a ramp. So, and then what you'll do is you just put this right over top, and these will slide down and into the track like that. And that way you can keep it, you can put it on and off when you want. So the marbles could be racing around the track, and when you're finally done, you can put this down, and then they're going to come, and what they'll do is they'll travel into the finish line, something like this, as they are dropped onto the track. And that way you can see which order the marbles finished, and it makes it really easy to record those finishes. All right, well, that's all there is for this build. Thank you very much. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks. Bye.